IDW has teamed with the Latin American animation studio Ánima for an adaptation of the popular comic series Brutal Nature. Variety reports that the companies struck a larger development deal and Luciano Saracino and Ariel Olivetti's beloved series would be the first under their new union. The adaptation will be an adult animated series. Saracino and Olivetti's series follows a young man named Ick whose collection of masks transforms him into a number of dangerous and powerful creatures. Utilizing the ancient power at his disposal, he joins the fight with the indigenous people of Colombia to defend their land from the invading Spanish Empire. In the bloody battle ahead, the two forces fight to decide the future and the soul of the nation. Fernando de Fuentes and Jose C. Garcia de la Tona produced the series alongside the IDW team. Collider video of the day. A Brutal Nature adaptation is right up IDW's alley, as the company has been hard at work adapting comics into successful television series for some time. Among other shows, the company is behind Netflix Lock and Key, based on the comic series by Joe Hill and Gabriel Rodriguez, while, over on Apple TV+, they also produced Surfside Girls, a family show based on a series of graphic novels by Cam Dwinnell. Paul Davidson, Executive Vice President of IDW Entertainment, felt confident that Ánima could carry their new animated series forward. We've always been big fans of what Ánima has been doing in the animation space, so we are thrilled with their passion for partnering on Brutal Nature, his statement read. Their sensibilities will truly expand the amazing world that Luciano Saracino and Ariel Olivetti created. Garcia de la Tona, the COO at Ánima, also had high praise for their partners at IDW. Working with IDW to develop such a unique project is really exciting. Brutal Nature will help us keep building up high-quality stories with a Latin sensibility that can be enjoyed all over the world, and we can't think of a better partner to achieve it. Brutal Nature will be new ground for Ánima, a company known for creating family entertainment including series like El Chavo Animado and films like Top Cat, the movie. Most recently, the studio has been turning to streaming, creating series for Netflix, HBO Max, and YouTube including Brave Bunnies, Legend Quest, Masters of Myth, and Cleo and Kakeen. Stay tuned for more here at Collider as work on a Brutal Nature adaptation gets underway.